business analyst, equity analyst, portfolio manager, fund manager, investment banker. These are some of the career opportunities after completing CFA. In general, professionals who completed CFA Level 1 earn an average salary of 9.8 lakhs per year. Level 2 earn an average salary of 13.5 lakhs per year. And those who complete the final level draw a salary of 17.5 lakhs per year, along with the potential to earn even higher for senior roles. Preparing for the CFA certification with Imarticus Learning will get you guidance and insight from CFA Charter Faculty, preparation material from Kaplan Schweser, a secondary instructor to solve all your doubts under our dual teacher model, placement assistance right after completing CFA Level 1, refund on your fees in case you do not clear the program. So why wait? Enroll now.